Hi everyone for releasing this Toyota Fortuner LTD. The modes we have so far upgrade. For the horn, we replace it to Mitsuba Dulcet 3. This is only one set. And also, for the fog lamp, we replace the bulb brighter. The client chooses the white color. This is 400% brighter compared to the stock. As you all know, the stock is very poor. Next, let's go to the air intake. We installed the Greedy X-Ross intake system. This is their case, aluminum casing, cone type with washable filter. I will do a sound check. More airflow going inside. More volume of air going. So it means more horsepower. As you can see, these are called tabs. We're doing PDR, paintless dent removal. As you know, dents or dimple on the car body is very sore eyes. We also installed for the exhaust, we're using the HKS full exhaust system, downpipe way to the back. This is dual side carbon tip. Okay, we'll do a sound check for the rear exhaust. For the suspension on this unit, we replace it with Tang Enduro Pro Plus for better handling. This is a 16 ways adjustable shocks, guaranteed to give more smoother ride. And also we replace high power LED. I'll show you. For the rims and tires, we're using the Voc Racing TE37. This is the 20-inch ultra large PCD Tourer edition with aluminum forged center cap. Only we use original. There are lots of center cap selling in the market are fake. Those are wannabe center cap. For the tires, we're using the BF Goodrich KO2 tires on this. See the flush on the unit. Perfect. Also, on this Prado, we're preparing for ceramic coating. Right now, we're degriming. And we have another Prado here. We're replacing the sounds and we're installing 360 camera on it. See the stance. Simplicity is the best. If you like how we built here, guys, feel free to message me. And please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. By the way, no to fake. Bye!